Guys, welcome to Programmer Force. In this video I will show you how to create Laravel roots in Laravel 5.8, and I will create two types of roots, simple roots and named roots. So let's start the video. First we will go to the Laravel directory and open the web.php file in resources folder. Roots folder is placed in the main directory, and here it is, and here is our web.php. There I will write all our projects root. So let's start. I will write a get root for my web page, and its syntax is root double colon and the root type, which is get, and now the parenthesis, and here I will write I will type colon, and here is the index is our root's name through which we will call our function or root that I place in the URL and run our root. Now function brackets and return view functions return our root and function to the web page that I want to show you. This is our index file in the resources that I am going to call. It is placed in the resources and views. This is our index file that will show you in the web browser. So I will write index in the URL and strike it, and here we got some error which is in the web.php file. Let's see what it is. And we will go to web.php file, and okay, we have some syntax error. I forgot to type comma before the function. Now I will save and run it again. So I will strike enter, and it all again gives the error, which is also a syntax error that happens all the time, so don't worry. Oh, I forgot to place semicolon in the last of the root, so I place it, and now this is our main main index page that I want to show you, and our roots get us there. Now let's write some other roots like post roots. This is only used when we have to add data to our database. We will do it in future videos. Named roots are not so different than the simple roots, just we have to add a name function after our root. Here we will place a named function, name, its brackets, parentheses, and the index is the name of our root, which is a specific for this file. And now I will strike enter, and again you can see our home page or index page, which is shown in your browser. Now let's go to index file, and here I want to show you something, that the name of the root, which is index, is the same as the name in the root that is written in web.php. We have to assure that the name of the root here and in the web.php must be same. In my case it is index, and now I will change it to the demo index that I have written is demo index. Now I also have to change it in the web.php file as demo index. Now when I will run that page, I have to write in the URL as demo index, and it strikes. Here we go. This is the URL shows demo index, and our page is main index page, but the URL shows demo index because the name of the root is now changed to demo index. So this is all about Laravel roots. Hope you better understand. I will catch up in the next video. Goodbye.